Hi there, my name is Roslyn Hill and we're going to be doing some more latch hook bracelets with you today. This is the one I thought we could have a go at. It's got like teardrops or raindrops shapes on there. Okay, thought that might be fun to do. And we'll start off with some yarn and yarn over, as we usually do with this to make a slip knot. Bring the yarn round over the hook to make a slip knot. And then we can begin. Okay, so we're going to do quite a long chain to start with, 14 in fact. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you see why you need to keep your chains quite loose, because we need to be able to put the hook into those holes in the chain. Right, so now we're going to make a circle here. And then we're going to hook in wherever you would like, depending on the size of the circle, your teardrop that you're doing. And you just hook into there and pull it through the loop on the hook like that. Then you need to just pull that tight there and start again. So we're going to do 14 again, and we've got this little teardrop shape. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so there we go, 14. Pull your chain out a bit. Then we're going to make that circle and hook in wherever you want along there. And pull that loop through the chain on the hook. And pull it tight. And off we go again. So we'll put those two there. Okay, I'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See where we are now? So we've got 2 teardrops on there, we've got 14. Okay, so you continue that way along there, making the loops. You can make them as close as you like. I'm just going to put that one down, pick this one up because this one's been done earlier. Okay, on this one, look, it's the same as we had before, but we've got a few more. Okay, so we're going to count 14 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get in the picture, shall we? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Don't have to be accurate in the length of that chain, but we do need to be able to make your circles. I'm not counting there, but I know just approximately how much I need. And then hook in and pull that loop through the one on the hook and tighten it. There. Make that teardrop shape. Okay, think that's long enough now. So we're just going to finish off with 5. Let's see how many we had at the beginning. About 6 there at the beginning. So we'll finish off with 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut the yarn so you've got enough to tie your bracelet, and then pull it gently through. And there we've got your teardrop bracelet. Okay, you might want to do it a little bit longer. Measure it on your wrist to make sure it's the right length before you stop. Okay, don't worry if some of them are bigger than the others, it really doesn't matter. Unless you want to do lots of counting. So that's the teardrop or raindrop shaped bracelet. Okay, we'll come back again and do another bracelet. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.